Today, I'm going to show you 7 insane ChatGPT image hacks that will blow your mind. This stuff is brand new and it's revolutionary. Most people don't even know these exist yet. I'm talking about creating pro-level images. No fancy skills needed. Even a 3rd grader could do this. And by the end of this video, you'll be pumping out thumbnail-ready images faster than anyone in your niche. Look, the AI image game just changed completely. OpenAI rolled out native image generation. We're talking high-quality stuff that renders text perfectly. Stable Diffusion got these crazy new plugins called ControlNet. And the upscaling tools, they're now so good they turn potato-quality images into magazine-ready masterpieces. But here's what nobody's talking about. There are specific hacks that separate the pros from everyone else. I've spent weeks testing these. Some of them are so powerful that once you know them, you'll never struggle with content creation again. So grab a pen because I'm about to share secrets that took me months to figure out. Hack number 1. The Style Anchor Template. This first hack alone will save you hundreds of hours. Most people start from scratch every single time they create an image. That's like trying to bake a cake without a recipe. You'll get random results every time. Here's what the pros do instead. They create one master template, one style anchor that they use for everything. Think of it like a brand filter for all your images. Here's my exact template. Portrait of subject, cinematic lighting, 50mm lens, shallow depth of field, photorealistic, color grade teal and orange, high detail, ultra realistic. You just swap out the subject part. So if I want a business person, I write portrait of confident business person in a suit. If I want a chef, I write portrait of professional chef in kitchen. Same template, different subject. The magic happens because ChatGPT learns your style. Every image comes out looking like it's from the same photographer. Your brand stays consistent, your audience recognizes your work instantly. But wait, there's more to this hack. You can use ChatGPT to generate 20 variations of your prompt at once. 20 different angles, 20 different poses, 20 different backgrounds, all with your signature style. Hack number 2. ControlNet Pose. Control. This second hack is pure genius. It solves the biggest problem with AI images: inconsistent poses and compositions. You know how sometimes you generate an image and the person's arm is in a weird position, or their face is turned the wrong way? ControlNet fixes that completely. Here's how it works. You feed ControlNet a simple stick figure drawing, just basic lines showing the pose you want. ControlNet takes that pose and applies it to any character you generate. Want a superhero in an action pose? Draw the stick figure jumping. Want a business person presenting? Draw the stick figure with arms outstretched. The AI follows your exact pose every single time. This is the secret sauce for creating character series. You can make 10 different people all in the same exact pose. Perfect for thumbnails, perfect for social media posts, perfect for building a recognizable brand style. The best part? You don't need to be an artist. Stick figures work perfectly. 5 minutes of drawing gives you unlimited pose control. Hack number 3. Layered prompting. Most people think image generation is a one-shot deal. You type a prompt, you get an image, that's it. But the pros know about layered prompting. Start with a broad prompt. Generate your base image. Then feed that image back into the AI with specific changes. Add a red shirt. Change the background to a beach. Make the person's smile bigger. The AI takes your original image and makes precise changes. No starting over. No losing the parts you liked. Just surgical improvements. This works incredibly well with ChatGPT's new image features. You can have a conversation with the AI about your image. Make it more professional. Make it more casual. Make it more dramatic. Each change builds on the last one. I've seen people create perfect images using 5 or 6 layers, each layer adding one specific element. By the end, you have exactly what you envisioned. Here's a hack that will instantly improve every image you create. Tell the AI what you don't want. Most people only focus on positive prompts. They say, make it beautiful, make it professional, make it stunning. But they forget to tell the AI what to avoid. Smart prompters use negative prompts. No extra fingers, no watermarks, no blurry backgrounds, no weird facial expressions, no distorted features. This saves you so much time. Instead of generating 10 images and hoping one turns out right, you get good results on the first try. Here's my go-to negative prompt list. No extra limbs, no watermarks, no text overlays, no blurred features, no distorted proportions, no oversaturated colors. Add this to every single prompt you write. Your success rate will go from maybe 30% to over 90%. Some tools even let you weight these negative prompts. You can say no extra fingers times 3. The AI will work extra hard to avoid that specific problem. Hack number 5. Seed locking for variations. This hack is perfect for A/B testing thumbnails. You find one composition that works. Then you create slight variations without losing what made it good. Every AI image has a seed number. That's like the DNA of the image. Same seed, same basic composition. Change the seed, everything changes randomly. Smart creators lock the seed for their winning images. Then they make small tweaks. Change the lighting from blue to orange. Add sunglasses, change the shirt color, swap the background. You end up with 5 or 10 variations of the same great composition. Perfect for testing what works best with your audience. I use this for all my thumbnails. I find one pose and composition that gets good click-through rates. Then I create variations for different topics. Same proven layout, different details. Hack number 6. Text rendering mastery. Here's something most people get wrong. They try to generate text directly in their AI images. Sometimes it works. Most of the time it's a mess. The new ChatGPT image models are way better at text. But even they're not perfect. Smart creators use a hybrid approach. Generate your image without text. Get the composition perfect, get the colors right, get the mood dialed in, then add your text in post-production. Use Canva, Photoshop, or even free tools like GIMP. Add crisp, clean text that actually looks professional. Match your fonts to your brand. Make sure everything is readable at thumbnail size. This extra step makes your images look way more professional. Text that's added in post always looks cleaner than AI-generated text. Hack number 7. The Upscale pipeline. This final hack turns amateur-looking AI images into magazine-quality masterpieces. Most people stop at the first generation. That's a huge mistake. AI images usually come out at low resolution. They might look good on screen, but they fall apart when you try to use them for anything serious. The pros run every image through an upscaling pipeline. First, they use face restoration tools like GFPGAN. This fixes any weird facial features and makes skin look natural. Then they run the image through upscaling software like Topaz Gigapixel or Real ESRGAN. This increases the resolution without making it blurry. The before and after difference is incredible. You go from a 512 by 512 pixel image to a 2048 by 2048 professional grade image. Perfect for thumbnails, perfect for social media, perfect for printing. Let me break down the essential tools you need. For basic generation, ChatGPT's image features are incredibly good and getting better every month. For advanced control, stable diffusion with ControlNet gives you precision that's hard to beat. For upscaling, Topaz Gigapixel is the gold standard, but it costs money. Real ESRGAN is free and works almost as well. For face restoration, GFPGAN handles most situations perfectly. Don't feel like you need every tool on day one. Start with ChatGPT. Learn the prompting techniques. Get comfortable with the basics. Then add more advanced tools as you need them. Look, I've shown you 7 hacks that took me months to figure out. These aren't just theoretical concepts. These are battle-tested techniques that I use every single day in my business. The AI image space is exploding. The tools are getting better. The barriers to entry are disappearing. But knowledge is still the biggest differentiator. The people who understand these hacks will dominate their niches. Your competition is still figuring out basic prompting. You now know advanced techniques that most people won't discover for months. Use that advantage. Create better content. Create it faster, create it more consistently. Build a visual brand that stands out in your niche. Use these tools to grow your business and serve your audience better. The future of content creation is here, and now you have the roadmap to succeed in it. If you found this valuable, I want to invite you to book a free SEO strategy session. Link is in the comments and description. Let's talk about how you can use AI to grow your business. And if you're serious about dominating with AISEO, join the SEO Elite Circle. Rank number 1. Get more customers, make money with AI SEO. Grab the AI SEO playbook we used to grow from 0 to 145,000 plus monthly visitors. Steal the exact systems we're using to scale past 8 figures. Link is below. Thanks for watching. Try one of these hacks today. Comment which one you want to see a full tutorial on. I read every single comment. Subscribe for more. AI shortcuts. I'll see you in the next one.